Hang on. Give me a deck reading. On the mark.
Just one. Feel time, wild and
Thunder Mountain spoken of the sky was dead. We stated that because the sound of falls yesterday when the rain came. Have you about here getting your quick spoken never showed up? And it ain't stuck because of the sound of flashes now are going off every few minutes. There's nothing flashing these days. Bookstore, runaway mine train, down with simple-hearted, folks like you.
There's no Sam knows every show. part of it. And they don't have to get this rules anymore. We wouldn't still do it the same.
I believe we ought never to do wrong, especially when others are looking. Policeman, sing out. Passing cutthroat corner. Attention deck crew. Stay alert. There's river pirates out here. This is where they'll most likely be. I can hear them from here. After all, it sounds like they're just about everywhere. Look past the trees on the island. That's Fort Langmore. Most people, of course, started out as a trading post. Then as settlers started heading west, the army came in and took it over. Honestly, these days, there's a lot less frontier and a lot more civilization than is truly necessary. Give me a depth reading. Sing out. This time, please look around.
down together with all personal belongings. Take small children by the hand. Everyone on the upper deck, please take one of the 7 stairways down, all the way down to the bottom deck. The bottom deck will be the only exit from Liberty Belle. Once again, everyone on the upper decks, take the stairways down, down, down to the bottom deck. And please watch your step as you exit. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day here in Liberty Square and all of the Magic Kingdom.